My name's Derek Hullinger. I have a PhD in physics, and I'm going to show you a cool demonstration that you can use. It's pretty easy to demonstrate the idea of refraction. So refraction means if you have one object, some kind of a material on one side and some kind of a material on another side, and you've got a boundary between the two, and you shine a beam of light straight at this boundary, instead of that light going straight through in a straight line, it actually bends. So for instance, let's say that on this side we had air, and on this side we had glass. In that case, the beam of light would bend like that. It would start to go a little bit more straight rather than along the line that it started out as. So let me draw it more like that. Okay. So now let's take a look at this a little bit further. Suppose the glass ended then, and we had air on the other side again. So this beam of light would get to that edge, and then it would continue going in the same direction that it started. So if you take the glass away, the beam of light goes straight along like this. But if you put the glass in place, then while the light is traveling through the glass, it actually bends so that it comes out at a different point and it shines at a different spot over here on the other side. So if you take a little laser pointer and a prism, you can demonstrate this really, really well. If I point the laser pointer down at the bottom, you can see where it lands. If I move the prism in its way, suddenly the point where the laser ends up moves out a little bit. So there's without the prism in place, there's with the prism in place. And that's because when the light passes through the glass, the angle changes, and so it ends up at a different position than when the prism isn't in place. So that's a cool, simple demonstration that you can use to show refraction.